of thousands of Venezuelans, potentially exposing them to deportation. The High Court this morning granted an emergency application filed by the administration to move forward with reversing a decision made by the Biden administration. It extended protections for 350,000 Venezuelans under the federal Temporary Protected Status program. The status allows people already in the U.S. to live and work legally because their native countries are deemed unsafe for return due to natural disaster or civil strife. Here at home, in just about 30 minutes, community members plan to bring awareness to deadly traffic crashes in San Francisco. Members of Walk SF say they're calling on city leaders to make the streets safer after 42 people were killed in traffic crashes last year. Organizers will meet at City Hall at 12:30 today and demand change. They plan to deliver a letter directly to the mayor's office. The San Francisco DA's office says by tomorrow it will determine if a 28-year-old San Francisco police officer who had just graduated from the police academy will face charges after a weekend crash in the Outer Sunset District. Officer Ryan Kwong is facing DUI charges after crashing his car into another vehicle while off duty. It happened early Saturday morning near Sunset Boulevard and Rivera Street. Several people were hurt. According to police, one person has life-threatening injuries.
No one is above the law. Whether you're on duty, off duty, any profession, whoever you are, we all have to be held accountable for being good citizens and following the law.
San Francisco's police chief Bill Scott said in a statement, "We will do everything in our power to ensure justice is served." The San Francisco Police Officers Association also released a statement saying there is no excuse for drunk driving, especially for police officers. Now to New York, happening live at noon, the NTSB is giving an update into the crash of a Mexican Navy sailboat that hit the Brooklyn Bridge over the weekend, killing two crew members. Let's listen in together.
The Mexican Navy tall ship Cuauhtémoc struck the Brooklyn Bridge on the East River, damaging the ship's three masts. Local authorities have reported that there were 277 personnel on board. Unfortunately, we had two fatalities during the bridge strike. And before I go any further, on behalf of the NTSB, I wish to express my most sincere condolences to the families and loved ones of those who lost their lives in this terrible tragedy. The NTSB arrived on scene late yesterday afternoon and throughout the evening, and our first day on scene was the